Trivial Pursuit Generations card game, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to correctly answer 5 questions. Each player picks a generation from this list to determine which questions they will answer. You do not need to pick your own generation, and players can pick the same. Shuffle the deck and place it question side up on the table. The oldest player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, another player draws the top card and reads you the question from your picked generation. If your answer matches the one on the back of the card, then you get to keep the card. If not, then place it at the bottom of the deck. Either way, your turn ends and the next player goes. The colors of the cards determine their category. Blue is people and places, pink is entertainment, yellow is events, purple is culture, green is science and technology, and orange is sports and hobbies. The first player to collect 5 cards wins. You can also add these cards to the regular Trivial Pursuit Generations board game.